Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite channel ScholarMate Odia. We are going to discuss one-liner GK Indian polity where you can get about 32 questions, more than 30 questions. Let's start this video. One-liner GK is helpful for all the competitive students who are preparing their competitive preparations for all the examinations like OTT, CTT, and all types of other exams also. Next, the first question is which act made the Indian legislature bicameral? That is, answer is Government of India Act 1919. Number two, what is the duration of proclamation of financial emergency? What is the duration of proclamation of financial emergency? At the first instance of 2 months. During the proclamation of national emergency, which articles can be suspended? Articles 20 and 21. Article 20 and 21 can be suspended during proclamation of national emergency. Number 4 question, where can the report of the UPSC discussed? In Parliament before being accepted, can the report of the UPSC discussed? To whom is the resignation letter of a State Public Service Commission member addressed? The State Public Service Commissioner member addressed their resignation letter to Governor. Please friends, if you like this video, and just like my video and share with your friends and subscribe my channel also. Number 5 question, to whom is the Chief Minister of a state responsible? Governor. Governor is the Chief Minister of a state responsible. What is the source of maximum income to Panchayati Raj? What is the source of maximum income? Maximum income of Panchayati Raj is government grants. Which is at the apex of the three-tier system of Panchayati Raj? Apex three-tier system is Jilla Parishad. Number 9, which impose reasonable restriction the fundamental rights of the Indian citizens? Parliament. The answer is Parliament. Number 10, the fundamental right to property has been deleted by the which amendment act? By 44th Amendment Act, fundamental right to property has been deleted. Number 11, which were the patrons of Sangam, an assembly of Tamil poets? That is Pandya. Number 12, to whom the Vice President's letter of resignation is to be addressed? To President. The Vice President's letter of resignation is to be addressed. Number 13, on which basis Montagu-Chelmsford report formed? The Government of India Act 1919. Who has the authority to remove the Vice President from his office before the expiry of his term? That is Parliament. Number 15, how can a major portion of the Constitution be amended by 2/3 majority? Number 16, which constitutional amendments banned the floor crossing in Parliament? That is 52nd. The 52nd constitutional amendments banned the floor crossing in Parliament. Number 17, who is the Constitution of India? When is the Constitution of India designed to work as a unitary government in times of emergency? In times of emergency, the Constitution of India designed to work as a unitary government. Number 18, which amendments accorded precedence to directive principle over fundamental rights? That is 42nd Amendment. Number 19, who is authorized to decide over a dispute regarding disqualification of a member of Parliament? That is President. President is authorized to decide over a dispute regarding disqualification of a member of Parliament. Number 20, the Lok Sabha is called in session for at least how many times in a year? The Lok Sabha is called thrice in a session for in a year. Number 21, when can the salaries of High Court judges be reduced during a financial emergency? That is article number 360. The salaries of High Court judges be reduced. Number 22, by whom are the Chief Justice and other judges of the High Court are appointed? That is President. Number 23, who are the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? That is Mavalankar. Mavalankar is the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Number 24, which is the state having the largest population? of scheduled caste, means of SC, that is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the state having the largest population of scheduled caste. Number 25. Which country has the briefest constitution in the world? Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? That is B.R. Ambedkar. Which country has the who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? That is B.R. Ambedkar. Which country has the briefest constitution in the world? That is USA. In USA Constitution, the constitution was described in briefly. Number 26. How long did the Constituent Assembly take to finally pass the Constitution? How long? About 3 years. About 3 years, the Constituent Assembly take to finally pass the Constitution. How type of right is since December 9th, 1946. How type of right is right to information? That is fundamental. Right to information is one type of fundamental right. Number 28. Which right conferred by the Constitution of India is also available to non-citizens? That is freedom to speech. Freedom to speech conferred by the Constitution of India is also available to non-citizens. Number 29. What is the minimum age for election or appointment as a member of the Rajya Sabha? That is 30 years. 30 years the minimum age to be a member of Rajya Sabha. Number 30. What is the minimum age for being the member of the parliament? If you want to for a parliament member, the minimum age is 25 years. Number 31. What is the maximum number of elected members in state assembly? That is 500. 500 is the maximum number of elected members in state assembly. Number 32. By whom are zonal council provided? By parliamentary act. By parliamentary act, the zonal council provided. Number 33. By whom was an interstate council set up in 1990 under Article 263 of the Constitution? President. An interstate council set up in 1990 under Article 263 of the Constitution. Number 34. On which date India became a sovereign democratic republic? That is 26 Jan 1950. Become a sovereign democratic and republic India. This is the answers. I hope you will like my video and share with your friends and subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.